Welcome back, MAST Family.
I'm Solomon.
And I'm Jada, and we are your student news anchors at MAST on Monday mornings. We hope you had a great spring break and Easter for those who celebrate the holiday. This week, our guest anchor is Josselin Vega.
Hola, bienvenidos familia MAST a las noticias de la escuela MAST. Hoy hablaremos sobre lo que estará pasando esta semana.
Remember, all prize winners from school-wide advisory meetings must be picked up after our announcement.
Pick up their prizes by the end of the day or you will forfeit your winnings. Congratulations to the winners Emma, Eric, and Elvis who won the MAST Monday morning meeting prizes. Remember, all you have to do is be on time for first period and sign into the bit.ly/MAST Monday morning meetings link.
Let's go Panthers! The annual staff versus student competition will take place on Friday the 28th, 2023. Who do you think will win volleyball and basketball this year? This Tuesday, April the 18th, scholars will attend the JA Finance Trip with Mr. Santoro. All MAST scholars must arrive at 8:15 a.m. and must wear MAST swag. Remember to bring additional snacks if you would like.
Recuerden que Momentum para los del 10 grado va a pasar martes y miércoles, abril 25 y 26.
Momentum for the 10th graders will take place on Tuesday and Wednesday, April the 25th and the 26th.
Kicking it with Van S. On Friday, April 28th, 2023, scholars will be able to spend the day with the Superintendent, Dr. Josephine Yaboa Van S, to celebrate our school and campus magnet.
MAST wishes you a happy Ramadan Kareem. Ramadan began Wednesday, March 22nd and concludes this Friday, April 21st. Let's continue to be mindful and supportive of our scholars who are observing Ramadan through prayer and fasting.
This Thursday, April 20th, is our monthly PTA/SLT meeting. Student leaders, please be in attendance in the Zoom link at 6 p.m. sharp.
Por favor, recuerden que este viernes 21, abril 21, la escuela va a estar cerrada en observación de Eid y por favor recuerden también que no va a haber escuela el sábado, abril 22.
This Friday, April the 21st, school will be closed in observance of Eid. Also, there will be no Saturday school on April the 22nd.
Saturday, Regents Prep for Social Studies, Science, and Math will resume on April 29th, 2023.
Hoy hablaremos de los cumpleaños de los estudiantes de MAST.
We have a new link for our birthday shoutouts, bit.ly/bday shoutouts. Remember to share your birthday with us so we can celebrate you.
On Tuesday, we have Erica R on the 18th and Marley P on the 8th as well. On the 19th, Wednesday, we have Brandon R, and on the 21st, on Friday, we have Karishma S. SAT prep sessions is this Tuesday in room 208 with Mr. Mazzoli from 3:15 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. PSAT and SAT Day at MAST is on Tuesday, April 25th for 9th, 10th, and 11th graders.
ENL ELA Regents Prep is every Friday at 2 p.m. sharp with Miss Marston for all registered students in room 207.
Ajá, Broadway. Por favor, recuérdense que los días para practicar han cambiado y ahora son los miércoles de las 3:30 p.m. a las 5:30 p.m. en el auditorio.
Aha, Broadway! Be reminded that rehearsal dates have changed and are now on Wednesdays from only 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. in the auditorium.
There are only 10 spots left for summer youth employment through MAST. Check your Google Classroom for the link. If you are serious about working, you must apply ASAP. Questions see AP Slinger in room 217.
Are you interested in being our next school mascot? Sign up using the bit.ly/MAST Mascot Spring 2023 link. Check your Google Classroom for the link. Your first job will be to perform at our annual Staff vs. Students game on April 28th. Good luck.
You can be the next guest anchor in MAST morning meeting announcements. If you're interested in volunteering to be the next guest anchor, sign up using the link bit.ly/guest anchor.
Puedes ser el siguiente invitado en el MAST Monday Morning Announcement y solo para hacer eso te puedes inscribir en el link bit.ly/guest anchor.
Do you need help in geometry? Geo tutoring is every Tuesday with Miss Israth in room 214 at 3:15 p.m. Congratulations to the winners of the parent survey, Josue, Salima, and Chanel for winning the student raffle for parent surveys. This week, AP Satar will select the next set of students and parent winners who submitted the parent surveys for additional prizes like the Amazon gift card or a music gift card.
The new basketball club meets every weekday, Monday through Friday, from 7:40 a.m. to 8:20 a.m. in the main gym with Mr. G. Swimming and lifeguard training sessions are from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. every Wednesday and Thursday.
Entrenamiento para natación y salvavidas son de las 3:30 p.m. a las 5:30 p.m. cada miércoles y jueves.
All students who are interested in the C-STEP Fordham University program, please confirm if you have submitted your application with Dr. E, who will be here on Thursday and Friday for individual check-in meetings. FAFSA sessions are back. Meetings are every Friday at 2 p.m. in room 204. Make sure you complete your financial application in order to attend the college or university that you have been accepted into.
Acuérdense de chequear nuestra página de Instagram para los días de los juegos de PSAT.
Remember to check out our Instagram page for dates for all PSAL games.
Thank you for watching our weekly news at MAST.
See you next week!